Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
We're in Inlet Beach today. Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Absolutely, as Heather mentioned, we're checking out a cute house in Inlet Beach,
Yes.
South Walton. It's over in this little community called the West Shore Place behind 30th Avenue. I know you love it over there.
I do love Beachy and Amigo, and you've got shades right across. I mean, 30th Avenue is great. You've got some shopping, some dining, and of course 30A's right there, and those beaches.
And don't forget, one of my favorite little shops, there's the Blue Giraffe.
Yes.
Local artist there right down the road. So West Shore Place, tight-knit little neighborhood. This house is kind of nestled at the end of a road, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Was just painted, all the interiors freshly painted.
Beautifully, yep.
So it's in very good condition. And one of my favorite things, it allows short-term rentals.
Yes, that's what we want, right?
Right. So you can short drive to the beach, you can rent it out short-term or long-term, or you can keep it for your beach getaway.
Absolutely,
Just
it's perfect.
minutes to 30A, and it's under $900,000.
Yes.
Has a community pool. You guys, if you want to check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
So for more details, look in the description below. You can get the listing link and everything that you need to do some more research and call your favorite realtor.
And don't forget to subscribe to
Yes.
our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.